want to say of all the events we've ever done, in all the many years, this was the most positive.
And I think it was really a great experience for our team.
It was phenomenal. Everybody enjoyed it like to the fullest.
And it was fun and challenging, and it promoted teamwork and collaboration.
There was a couple really fun twists in there that we were not expecting.
It was harder than I thought it was going to be, honestly, but it was a lot of fun.
The team was great and energetic. We really liked the enthusiasm.
I think one of my favorite parts was that it worked for different skills, so everybody on the team could contribute something.
Seeing how they communicate with each other, seeing where their strengths and their weaknesses were, really came out in this exercise.
Lots of people brought different things to the equation, and I'd say overall it was a really good team building exercise.
And I think the group really just had a good time. It was a great bonding experience.
And as a manager, to see everybody have fun, laugh, enjoy was really rewarding.
It was just phenomenal. I just want to thank the organizers. Again, the best thing that I've seen here in all the decades.
It's so much fun. I highly recommend anybody out there to give them a call today and set your time up.